Hello, my fellow creatives. This is Diet with the Handcrafted Creative, and today I'm coming to you to show you a couple really quick ways to change a graphic to match your branding. Today we're using this really pretty flash sale graphic that has a transparent background, so a PNG file, which is what would be necessary for you to do what I'm about to show you. The first option, we're going to open up our photo bin. I'm going to use one of my pretty watercolor paintings that I did in pink and orange. We're just going to click and drag it over the top of our graphic. If you need to resize it, just click and drag. And then we're going to come over between these two layers, between these two images, and on a PC you hit Control, on a Mac you're going to hit Option, click. And then boom, you've got this really pretty flash sale watercolor graphic. The next option I'm going to show you is actually even a little bit easier than what we just did, and that is we're going to create a new layer. So layer, new, you don't have to name it. So you've got a blank layer sitting on top of your flash sale graphic. Then you're going to come over to your color palette and pick a branded color. And the easiest way to do that is to use your hex code. So punch your hex code into this box and bring up one of your branded colors. And then by choosing your paint bucket and making sure you're on the top layer, just click. It's going to fill in that box. Come back over and once again hover between these two lines. Click Option. And the way you know you've got it right is if it changes from a hand to this little down arrow with a box, because we're creating what's called a clipping mask. So Option, click, and then boom, we've got this really cool branded flash sale graphic. And that's it. You can save it as a PNG or a JPEG. If you want to use it again and change the color of it again, you'll want to save it as a PNG so that there's a transparent background. If you liked this video, please click the thumbs up. It really helps me a lot. You can sign up for my mailing list below with the handcraftedcreative.com so you don't miss any future tips or tricks for your small business. If you would love to see and purchase a sale graphic bundle, you can get that at my Artsy Pumpkin site. These graphics are all in black with transparent backgrounds, so they're easily changed. You can change them to any color you want, or like I showed you, dragging any kind of color over the top of them if you want, and creating a whole new look to your graphic. I have them for sale as black with a transparent background, white, and gold. So if you would like to check those out, the links to my shops are below in the description. Make sure you comment if you have any questions, and thank you very much. Stay creative.